Now let's take a look at the 2019 Thor Pulse gear. Now this really is a staple in their range. This is built for the motocross rider, the enduro rider, or the guy that just comes out to ride park out here and rides on a weekend. It's form fitting so that it's in the attack position. You're quite comfortable in the attack position. It's got some venting through the arms up here. It's also got a lot of stretch panels and it's got a lot of room to fit knee braces too. It's also got great leather pads on the inside of the knee, so you've got a lot more durability there. The Pulse pants have a Velcro tab and a buckle to stay secure. The other really good thing about these pants is they've got adjustable straps at the side, so on your fat days, let them off, and on your good days, you can tighten them up. I like that idea. So my thoughts are, it's a very comfortable set of gear to wear all day long. I've been wearing it for a couple of seasons now, and I enjoy wearing it with the bit of room in the legs, a bit of room in the belly, and also the top fit's quite comfortable when you're riding it. So it's a great, reliable piece of kit. Go and check it out at your dealership.